We are excited about this series on the amazing Beatitudes. These were Jesus's essential teachings, and they contain incredible, deep spiritual principles. And on March 12th at 11 a.m. here at the Unity Center, we're going to be looking at "Blessed are they who hunger and thirst after righteousness, for they will be filled." Now, what is righteousness? Righteousness is not just your character, but also how you think. How you think is very, very important. How you think, what you believe, what's going on inside of you affects your experience of what's going on outside of you. It's really one of the key words in the Bible, righteousness. I look forward to sharing more with you right here at the Unity Center. See you soon.